Sorry, we're all into the same place, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
We're all going to the same place.
We're going to the
Amazing.
You coming with
Anderson-
us? We're getting drinks.
Anderson
Come on,
School
man.
McMenamins.
Oh yeah, they're gonna go McMenamins.
McMenamins.
They always have really cool places that they've bought, so I think it's always
do.
cool.
That's what I hear.
Interesting, yeah.
There's one of their places in Tacoma has a speakeasy, but you have to know where it is to find it.
Is that right?
They have like 4 bars in that one. Like there's literally 4 bars in the place, but one of them's a speakeasy, and you have to know where it's at.
No, it's hidden.
Easy to get into it.
Are we in Tesla again?
Yes, we're in a Tesla.
There's no
Okay.
better car for this job. This is the best car for this job.
You don't
That's probably
spend the
true.
gas money.
Unless you live in San Francisco. I had a Tesla for a couple weeks.
Yes,
And
you
it's
go to
expensive
Tesla.
down there
They-
because the
the
electricity's so expensive.
Freaking crazy. It's like I'm paying 69 cents a kilowatt hour. I can't
Holy.
afford it. Like it's cheap.
I
It's cheaper to buy gas.
I just
Cheap.
plugged in for 12
Don't kid me.
minutes. I plugged in for 12 minutes.
Okay.
And I went from 20 to 43, and I spent $10.
Let me ask
my
you
gosh,
a
that's
question.
awesome.
Okay, go ahead. I'm not driving, so ask all the questions.
Town,
You got the full automated. Nice.
is it a vibrant business that you're?
That I'm doing?
Yeah.
Do I make money? I mean,
no,
I'm
no,
rolling
no.
around
We
in a
don't care about
Tesla,
that.
so
You're
obviously,
busy as fuck, I guess is what I'm asking.
yes, but no. So so I've been doing this for about 3 years. In the past year,
Alright, you got knowledge.
there's way too many drivers now. Way too many freaking drivers now. We're the highest paid drivers in the United States. Here in Washington.
Oh, good. Good for you. That's good.
That works, right? Until everybody was like, ooh, all the drivers were bragging
All the
about what they
money's
made.
down here.
So
Everyone
all
comes
the
in
drivers came here. I know of people that literally
Fucking
sleep in their
bastards.
cars.
I might take up a job as a Uber driver. That sounds,
You know
sounds
what?
attractive now that you say it.
I'll back you with a Tesla.
Yeah? All right. Let's do it.
Let's do it, right? You got to take a 4-hour online safety course.
Okay.
Got to have the
can't
car
pass
inspected.
that.
I
Got
can
to
do
pass
that.
the
I can do
background
that.
check.
Ooh, hold on.
Hold on.
I'm out.
I'm out now.
I'm calling it.
And
I'm not transporting children.
Oh, and the car. No, we do transport children. I get children all the time.
Oh, geez.
Yeah, well, you have to
That
pass a
doesn't sound
background
like
check.
it.
Yeah,
you know,
You get extra money for that.
That's my problem.
And the car has to be inspected. So that's
By whom?
you take it to a garage.
Oh.
So there's
That's
always
easy.
there's
That
always
sounds easy.
man, I'm telling you, there's these garages that must just take cash and say, "Yep, passes,"
He's
because
all
I've
good.
seen
Oh,
some
I've
of these
seen
bad
some.
cars out
Yeah.
here, and I'm just like, "Oh, okay, there's no way
car
that
has a bubble in it.
there's no way that car passed inspection." So
I've been in that car. I know that car.
That's funny.
I was in a Bronco coming back with my in-laws.
Oh,
Their first experience in an Uber was like 3 or 4 years ago.
okay,
And this thing had no, like the shocks were shot. And it was like bouncing all
Oh,
over
right,
and
right,
weaving.
right.
And I'm not kidding you. I think the guy was stoned out of his mind.
probably.
I think he was trying to drive with one eye. I'm like, oh my god! And my in-laws are
Best
like,
to do that in a
You're like,
Tesla.
"Can I drive?"
yeah, this whole shared drive right thing is, I don't know about it. I'm like, no, trust me, it's good.
It's great, it's fine, and then you have this experience,
Yes.
and you're like, normally,
like this experience would have been great for them.
what, the driver's not driving?
Yeah. Yeah, they'll be a little scary for
jam
them,
it.
maybe. Do you have the full, what is it called? The full package? The
Yeah, and I'm on 14. I have 14.1.3 that just
Okay.
came out last week. So
Now you're getting nerdy.
Yeah.
hold on, let me bring up the number and
You're
scroll
making me
down here.
nervous. You're making me nervous.
Yeah, man.
14.1.3 just came out last Monday, and I got it Monday. So
So it'll handle the full.
I'm not doing.
Yeah, I know. I noticed.
I'm not doing a dang
It
thing.
can drive itself.
That's why this is on to record. I love getting people's reactions to the car driving. So.
Man.
So this is recording up here, so the steering wheel and the screen, and then what's going on up here,
Yeah, let's go.
and then you know, getting people's reactions and posting
Could
it
be our
on YouTube.
best ride ever.
So what have you done since we left the parking lot?
I pushed the button. I'm Fred Flintstone.
Really?
I'm Fred Flintstone.
I pushed the
You
button.
got the big feet
Well, I
flapping
see
at the
that.
bottom.
So I live in San Francisco, so I've got the Waymos, and they're super solid. They're like
They're
solid.
coming here next year.
I'm sorry,
they?
super solid. What
My
does that mean?
son tells me that
Reliable,
they're changing
safe.
from the I-Paces, so they're no longer to be buying Jaguar cars.
Yeah, it's
They're to
because
be
Jaguar.
buying- they're stopped making the I-Pace.
Yeah, they bought the last 3,000 the Jaguar had, so
Is
they
that what
have.
they did?
They're just
Yeah,
gonna
they have.
They're
They have
using
fi-
Chinese cars.
No,
now.
they're using Ioniq 5, the Hyundai.
Well, that would be ideal. My son told me there were going to be Chinese cars.
No, because there's no way you can get a Chinese car in America, so there's no reason to do that.
Otherwise, your son and not
I sent my dad a video of me riding in the Waymo, like a year and a half ago, right? I'm like, this is so cool, and he's like, you know, sounds great. I'm really worried about the reliability of that Jaguar. That's
Exactly.
He's like, that's the most dangerous part of that ride.
The electricals are going to be shit on that car.
Okay, we know it's a Jaguar, but at least it's electric, so that automatically makes it better. So
a little bit better. Well, I just thought that was classic.
But it's made in India.
He wasn't phased at all by the automation.
Right. Just concerned about the Jaguar. They're buying Ioniq 5s is what they're doing now. Is what Waymo's using.
I thought he told me they were buying Chinese cars.
No, they're not buying Chinese cars.
Like a name I didn't even recognize.
No, they're not buying BYD.
They're buying Temu electric cars.
No, they're not buying BYDs, but BYDs are solid cars.
BYDs would be good.
Yeah, BYDs are good.
No, he told me they were Temus.
No. They're Honda. The Ioniq 5 is what they're buying.
I'm kidding. They're not buying Temu cars.
So this
$7
with its automation now will take you from point to point where you won't have to do anything.
I don't think he's touched any steering controls.
I hope not.
You got to touch the wheel every once in a while.
No.
It yells at you, right?
No, not anymore, because there's this camera here that monitors my eyes, so I don't have to touch the steering wheel anymore.
Oh, seriously? So with the newer version, it'll say as long as you're paying attention.
You want a Tesla?
That's awesome.
Yeah.
No, I like this guy.
So it's like 2023. I had to wait forever during COVID. Finally got the Tesla 9 months later. Our first trip, we drove it up to Tahoe to go skiing. Family trip. Snowing, raining. And it messed with the cameras. And then it started doing this phantom braking.
The phantom braking, yeah. We haven't had that in a while now.
I think they've kind of fixed that.
Yeah, the phantom braking has gone away. That's definitely a thing of the past.
Okay.
Like my first day that I took the car out, I just barely bought it. I was on a major freeway. I was doing 60 miles an hour, coming to an underpass. 25.
Oh, exactly.
What?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Literally.
Try doing that in the snow on the way to Tahoe.
65 to 25, and I'm glad the car behind me was paying attention, or I would have eaten my bumper.
Why did it do that?
Phantom braking, but it doesn't do that anymore.
Because it detects, like, when you're going through the bridge, like, oh, something's over here.
Something's here. I need to stop for this. Yep.
So we'd be on Highway 80 going up to Tahoe, and all of a sudden, like, the whole family's like,
Yep.
I didn't do it. They're like, what did you do, Dad?
You're like, I didn't touch anything.
Like a good thing.
But my wife lost complete confidence. She's like, we can't have this car.
So it's funny, my wife, so obviously she's had to deal with it all, right? Feel sorry for her.
Yeah.
As every wife
it's a lot
does.
smoother.
Right, as every wife does.
Thank you.
As every good wife does, puts up with their stupid husbands. That's us. Okay, we got that established, so it's all good.
Yeah. No.
About a year ago, she'd be sitting over there, and then I'd catch her looking over, and I'd go, "It's much better now, isn't it?" And she goes, "Yeah, it really is." We got this patch in February of last year that just made the car better. By the way,
no, you don't. It's incredible.
Just showing those guys. I was showing them. I know you can see, they can't. But yeah, like, and she just started looking over here, and I go, "Yeah, it's gotten really good, hasn't it?" She goes, "Yeah, it's actually kind of amazing."
Yeah. No, I didn't know. To be honest, I did. The Waymos are so solid, but they have all of the LiDAR and have crazy stuff,
so
right?
that's the thing. So I before this patch, I would have bet dollars to donuts that they would have to bring radar back to the Tesla.
Same.
Right?
Yeah.
You know, I don't need the ultrasonics. We don't need LiDAR. But I remember how my car was when I had radar, and then when I lost the radar, and how much of a stupid driver it got.
Yes.
And so I thought that they would have to bring it back. But now that I've been on this new patch for this week, okay, I'm kind of changing my opinion about it. I still think they should do it, though. I still think they should bring radar back. And I think my biggest problem with it is the reason that they took it out is BS. At the end of the day, $1 is $1, and I'm pretty sure that's the reason.
Yes, you and I are on the same page.
You know, the $1's $1, right? And you know, you make 1 million cars, that's $1 million, right? But I'm a lot like I always would have to stop at the stoplights. If I was third or fourth car back, I would have to turn it off so I could do the stopping.
Yeah.
And then the freeway, like if the freeway's going 60 miles an hour, but then it slows down to 45.
Yeah.
And so I would do that as well. And now this week I haven't had to do either of those this week.
That's incredible. Okay.
So take that as you will.
Yeah.
You haven't touched the steering wheel at all, have you?
No,
No.
not since we left the
Right.
parking lot.
Not since we left.
I thought.
Yeah.
Slowing for the uncontrolled intersection, making the right turn.
It even signals.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's better than BMWs.
This is my, like I read the
I have
whole.
a hard time with that one. Because I have a
I
BMW.
believe it though.
I love my BMW.
Well, BMWs don't know how to signal.
We have 3 BMWs.
They just don't know how to signal, right?
They
It's a
don't do
broken
any
in
of
those
this
cars,
shit.
right?
No, it doesn't work. It doesn't work.
It doesn't work in a
They're all
BMW.
manual.
That's all right. I don't signal either. I just let the car do it. So, oh,
Right.
right. You see the people walking across the road?
Yeah, that's good.
So
With
look,
the dog.
look,
It's
the
got
dog. Oh my God, the dog's on the screen now. Oh.
That's fucking
Wow,
hilarious.
it's got the dog.
It's got the dog. That's new. That's new because it didn't. It went. So the other day I had a cat in the road, and it showed like this blur.
Okay.
Like
That was on the
smash
last.
cat?
That was on the
Now
last
you see
software.
a
It was
dog.
a fuzzball.
Yeah, it just
It
was
just
a blur.
said pet.
Yeah, it just was a blur, and I
Might
was
be
like,
a rat, might be whatever.
It's nuts.
okay,
dude.
now let's see if it handles going all the way into McMenamins because we got to take a hard left here
Yeah.
after we run these people over.
I like the experiment.
There's a lot of
There's a lot of test dummies
there's a
right
lot
here.
at stake.
Yes,
A lot
there
at
are.
stake.
A lot at stake right here. A lot of test dummies.
Seem to work. Seem to work.
Seem to work. Now,
It's
It's
pulled
not
on.
sure where to
and
go.
it's got some traffic. It's good. No, it knows.
let's see where it goes. Let's see where it decides to stop.
All
Is
right,
the
that's a
question.
good point.
Let's see where it decides to
It
stop.
chooses. Don't go left.
No, don't go that way.
Don't go left.
Oh yeah, because
Don't
left
go
is a
left.
dead end.
No, don't go
Yes,
left.
It was
left.
right.
It was right.
was right.
I should have let it do it, huh?
Left is a dead end.
We almost made it.
We
Dude.
almost made it.
Ah.
Whew,
That's
boy,
fucking
good thing I'm
awesome,
still
dude.
here.
Let's do it again.
Let's go do it again.
Do it again.
Thank you. Okay, that was truly the most entertaining ride
Yes,
I've had.
yes,
Thank
for sure.
you.
For sure. Yeah.
See, now you know you got the
That was fun.
right. All right, guys, enjoy the rest of your stay, huh? Enjoy McMenamins, huh?
That was awesome.
All right, take care.